technical issue, and the other one was with job creation. So the thing is, as an while in any document, whenever you will face this problem, you have to see uh, all jobs should be created in that document. If any of one, if any one job in that particular document is not created, it is possible that you will face this issue again. So what I would recommend is you have to recreate your that job like yesterday I have to delete one of the job. Mm, I will tell you that specific job name. One second.
Can you share the screen and
Yes,
show?
I'm sharing the screen as well. Tell me when it is shared.
Yes, yes, I can see the screen now.
Okay. Yeah, this one. No, sorry. Yes. So in document number 429 2020/429, in that document number there was a job having name 724161 USA wash, medium wash and wash s. First I have deleted this job.
From discrete jobs you have deleted?
Yes, I have deleted this job for initially I have deleted this job while I was resolving this issue with my technical guy. I have to delete this job. When once I deleted this job, then I see that this creates problem in components attachment. After that, I have actually I make screenshot of this DFF, and after deleting this job, when I see this was creating problem with components attachment, and then after that I have recreate this job, and this issue was resolved. So final statement what I am saying is in future whenever you will face this kind of issue, you have to make sure that there should be in that particular document all jobs should have been created. Otherwise it is possible that you may face this issue again. Are you getting my point?
Yes, yes, I can get your point. So whatever the document has already created, that problem maybe exists, then we have to delete the job and create it again.
No, I am not saying that. I'm saying that I'm saying that I have deleted one job. Okay,
Okay.
then I see that this deletion of job is creating problem in that procedure.
Okay.
Then I have to recreate that job.
Yes.
Okay, then I have discussed with my technical guy why this was creating problem, and he said that when you have deleted that job, this was creating problem in that procedure. So he suggest me he
Hello.
deleted job in that particular document
Sorry,
whenever
bhai,
there will.
I couldn't hear you actually. Network was
Okay.
dropped. So he suggested what?
he suggested me that there should not be any of one job be deleted in that particular document.
Any job shouldn't be deleted.
Yes, all jobs should be created.
Okay. So none of the order can have without jobs, right?
1 second. 1 second. Let me open. My VPN is not being connected. Would you kindly share your screen and open that document 2020/429?
Yes, yes, definitely. Can you see my screen?
Mm, yes, now I can see your screen.
Yes. So what is that under apparel or editorial?
Under double AL.
Okay. What is the number?
429.
Yes.
Would you kindly open yes 4724161. Okay, as and listen to me. I'm saying that let's say you have deleted this job 724159. Okay,
Yes. Yes.
let's say in any case you have to delete this job. Okay,
Okay.
once you have deleted this job, then the jobs which are below this job, like below this job 6 7 8 9 10 11, all the jobs below this job will have this problem, this components attachment problem.
Okay.
Okay, so you have to make sure that all jobs should have been created.
Okay. Say for example, mistakenly I have deleted this job. So these all the jobs has come without component. So then
Yes, in
how I can
all.
solve?
Okay, then how does okay, you have to recreate that specific job which you have deleted earlier. Okay, once you
Okay.
have recreate those jobs, then you have to press material requirement button in this document.
Uh, this button.
Yes, this material requirement button. Once recreation of that job, you will come in this form and you will press that material requirement button, and all jobs will be all components will be attached to their respective jobs.
Okay. That's good.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, now we may move towards issue number 77.
70. Yes, 77.
Okay, for issue number 76, you have to make sure that all jobs have been created in that particular document where you are facing this issue. Okay,
Okay.
and after recreation of job and after pressing material requirement button, if you still face this issue, then tell me and I will look into it, inshallah.
Okay. No problem.
Okay, so now issue number 77. Issue number 77 is you are facing this job creation issue in finishing.
Yes, same issue.
Okay, I have also looked into this issue a while ago. Mm, would you kindly open this document 474?
Yes.
See, finishing job is not created. Okay, 1 second. Let's open this first job in Java discrete job form.